Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you this natural easy makeup that's perfect for back to school. It'll help cover acne if you have any and make you look much more awake. So I'm first going to use my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. You can use any concealer. Maybelline Fit Me is a great one, and NYX concealer are great, but this is the only concealer I have that's light enough for my skin, and I'm just putting this on any red spots and under my eyes to hide any dark circles. For powder, I'm going to use my Cosmetic Celebration Foundation powder. This adds extra coverage and will set it down to help it last a long time. You don't have to use this powder. Any drugstore pressed powder will work. Physicians Formula talc-free powder is great. Is a great dupe for it. But this is the lightest powder that I own. If the concealer didn't cover your acne all the way, a good trick is to use a little brush. This is the Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush, and I'm just taking some of that powder on the brush and pressing it directly onto the acne spots, and it will help cover it better. Then to add some extra color to my face, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Sun Beige and my Morphe brush, and just use a little bit of it in the contours of my face. For blush, I'm going to use my Loreal True Match blush in the shade Baby Blossom and my Morphe brush, and just add a little bit of it to my cheeks just to add extra color. To add some highlight, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Blossom Glow on this big Morphe brush, and just sweep a little bit of it on the high points of my face. It just brightens up everything and makes it look nice and dewy, and just adds a really fresh glow. Just to add a little bit of definition to my crease, I'm going to use that same contouring shade that we just used and put some of it in my crease. On my eyelid, to add a little pop of white, I'm going to use this Coastal Scents eyeshadow in Cloud White and this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, and I'm just packing that on my lid. To fill in my brows a little bit, I'm going to use my Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel, and just comb through them with it. It just adds a little bit of color and sets them in place. With my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, I'm going to put this on my waterline. Then with the same Cloud White eyeshadow we used on our lid, I'm going to set it down. This really opens up the eye and adds a nice pop. top in the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to use my Essence eyeshadow single in Snowflake, and this just brightens it up and makes you look much more awake. I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and use my Wet n Wild Make-A-Length mascara on my top and bottom lashes. For lips, you can either leave them blank or you can use a lip balm or a lipstick. I love these two Maybelline Nude lipsticks. One is in Bare All and the other one is in Purely Nude. I'm going to use Purely Nude because it is a matte lipstick. It's very close to my lip shade and it's transfer proof. A little trick you can do with your eyelashes is if you don't feel they're long enough, after applying mascara, let it dry, then use your eyelash curler and curl them again. It makes a huge difference and makes them look much longer. So that is it for this makeup. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!